Hi, my name's Scott with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'll give you a video walkthrough of this 2024 23 LXB Sport. This is a Bennington, and it is equipped with the 200 horsepower Mercury motor. Just do a walkthrough here and go over everything. So this boat is a swing back layout. So this back seat can flip and you can face either way on the pad back here. We got the really cool lily pad ladder on this boat. Folds up nice and easy. 200 Mercury motor, ski tow bar. Got the Bennington grill on the back with the lights, speakers. Got the nice L-shaped playpen seating. Got the Simrad on the dash, Rockford Fosgate, Mercury digital throttle. This boat has the blackout package, really cool looking. I'll show you the outside of the boat. Nice radius seating with movable cup holders. Awesome boat, lots of space. Being a tri-tune, rides great, holds 12 people. RGB lighting, all around just a fantastic boat. Do a little walkthrough here for you on the outside. There we go. Mercury 200. Really cool looking color with the blackout package on the outside. That new LX paneling. And then the smooth paneling. Really cool. In the front with the new headlights. Come and check out the new Bennington 23 LX swing back. It's going to be on our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com. You can call us at 864-236-9005 or just come on to the store and see this Bennington and many, many more. Thanks.